Hello, welcome to Code It Fast. Today we are doing a tutorial about Snake. I changed my name from Unity Fastest Tutorials to Code It Fast because I think that I want to have a channel about coding, not only tutorials. So I have here head of my snake with box collider 2D which is trigger and rigid body 2D with gravity scale set to 0. And my blank for now snake script. I have here my walls with box colliders, fruit prefab and tail prefab. So let's get to coding. I need system.link and I have to use also Unity Engine scene management. I want to have some variables as temporary fruit prefab, tail prefab. I need a list of transforms tail, which is equal to new this transform, and also vector to direction. In start method I need to invoke my move method every 0.2 seconds. I think if you want more you can do more or less if you want. In my case 0.2 is the best. So in update I have to check the inputs, so float vertical equals input that get axis 0 vertical float horizontal was input that get axis 0 horizontal, and I don't want to have two input at one time, so I need to check if vertical equals to 0 and horizontal is not equal to 0, or vertical isn't equal to 0 and horizontal is. In that case I want to set direction to new vector 2 horizontal vertical. So we are done with the update. In void move I have to get my position, so vector 2 last position equals transform that position, transform, and I want to move my head, so transform that translate direction. And now I forgot about one thing. I want to instantiate my fruit, so instantiate fruit new vector 2. With the walls that I have it will be random that range -9 10 plus 0.5. On the Y it will be -3 and 4, and quaternion that identity. So in the move I want to check if temporary fruit is null, and if it is I want to instantiate it. I want to instantiate my tail prefab, so instantiate tail prefab last position quaternion dot identity, and if mm, not here. Oh, here. I want to insert to the tail at 0 t.transform. So we have it in our list, and if tail.count is greater than 0, we want to insert no last that position equals last position. Now we want to insert tail that last and tail that remove at tail that count -1, and that is the whole following tail. So we only need 3 lines to follow. And now we want to check our box collider. So on trigger enter 2D, collider 2D call. If call that game object is equal to temp through it, we want to destroy it. Otherwise, we want to load our scene so it resets. And I think that's all. If I made everything properly. So fruit prefer goes here and tail prefer goes here. And let's test it. The tail works, the fruit works, and the dying works also on tail. I need to check that. So here, I died. So that's it. Bye.